So walking from the westbound platform at Heuston Station on the Luas towards the customer service desk in Heuston. I'm walking on lozenge tactile underfoot, sweeping my cane left to right. The Luas tram is just moving. So shortly it will slope downwards, indicating the crossing point. This is the crossing point. It's got 2 rows of 8-line horizontal corduroy tactile with 3 rows of cobblestones underfoot before and after the tactile, which enhances the feeling underfoot. So I'm crossing 2 tracks now. I'm on the opposite side now. I can feel the combination of tactile and cobblestones underfoot. These are cobblestones, 2 rows before a cycle parking area, which is on soil, so very easy to differentiate and not walk into a cycle. So this is a good example of best practice. So I'm walking out to the curb edge. I think there's a bus here already, so I just keep out slightly. I can hear an engine. So I'm at the curb edge, following the cane from left to right. And there's a real-time pole on the curb edge again. This is a bus carousel. This is the crossing point. It dished there the path. There's cobblestones underfoot. There's a bollard. And now we've got vertical tactile paving underfoot. That's 8 lines of it, leading it to the entrance at Heuston. We've got a mat well underfoot. We've got a help point there with 2 buttons, information and SOS. So there's a shop or a cafe on our right. Between the tiles and the laminate is a little metal strip to stop you walking in an error. There's a little ankle height metal bar like they have in shopping centres outside. Excuse me. And now we're outside the Galway hooker. Oh, that's a sandwich board. There's the wooden edge. So we walk over here towards the mat well, and straight ahead's another help point. We follow that and we go straight ahead. That's a real-time screen, but it's not accessible. So we've got a pole ahead. We're walking around the corner. Sorry guys, excuse me. And it's very crowded today. Sorry guys, thank you.